Your Nissan Juke's radio, also known as the Nissan Connect infotainment system, can sometimes freeze, become unresponsive, or experience connectivity issues. Common problems include the screen freezing, the system becoming unresponsive, or issues with connectivity like Bluetooth or navigation. Resetting the radio is similar to rebooting your computer. It's a simple way to clear minor glitches without affecting your vehicle's core functions. There are different types of resets. A soft reset is a quick restart for minor issues. A hard reset forces a full reboot if the soft one doesn't work. A factory reset wipes all data but is rarely needed and not covered here. Starting in 2023, Nissan Juke models from 2021 onward receive over-the-air software updates. These can fix many issues remotely, reducing the need for manual resets. However, older models still benefit from performing resets when problems occur. Start with safety precautions before resetting your Nissan Juke radio. First, park your car safely and turn off the engine to ensure safe operation. For a soft reset, press and hold the power or volume knob in the center of the radio for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the system to reboot with the Nissan logo. If the soft reset doesn't work, perform a hard reset. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Simultaneously press and hold the power button and the menu button for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen resets. Then turn off the ignition, wait 30 seconds, and restart the vehicle. For touchscreen models from 2022 onward, use this alternative method. Navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset, and select Reboot System. After the reset, repair your Bluetooth devices, update the software through the Nissan Connect app, and test the system. If problems continue, check for recalls or visit a dealer for professional assistance.